If you're looking for wool fill mattress toppers, this video is for you. My name is Emma, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time you can click this circle in the corner, and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Ready? Let's start. Number 1, Most Popular, by Sleep and Beyond. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, by Holy Lamb Organics. Number 3, by the Futon Shop. For more info and real-time deals, just click this circle and get your favorites items. Number 4, by White Lotus Home. Number 5, by Holy Lamb Organics. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click this circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.